Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool mid right here, and basically what this is a toilet bowl cleaner. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this one comes in a pack of 12 of them. And we see the way how they design it is basically like a square design. And for those of you guys who remember, I actually viewed another product from this brand before that's very similar to this one here, where it's like a circle or round shape. And that one almost worked the same way as this one right here. But the main difference between that one versus this one is the fact that this one right here actually has two effects on here. So one side with the blue side is for cleaning it, which basically works the same way as the other one. But this one right here has a green section on here, and that is basically helpful for you guys to actually sanitize your toilet and everything. So you basically get a 2-in-1 on here, a cleaning option and sanitizing option every single time after you guys flush it. So for those of you guys who've never seen that video or the one I'm talking about, let me show you guys really quick. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like here. So you don't want to remove the little wrapper right here. You actually want to dump this inside your water tank and just let it dissolve over time. I think for me, I'm just putting it somewhere around here. So you basically just want to drop it in right here. And you basically just want to let it sit for like 30 minutes to an hour and then come back and check on it. But even right now, I see it's starting to work already. You can definitely see a bunch of these blue liquid and stuff coming out of it. Alright, so it's been around like 30 minutes or so now. If you can see, it's definitely very, very blue. So we can start flushing it now if you want to, or if you guys want to wait longer, you definitely can. So I'm actually flush it and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see it's all blue right here. And the inside right here is refilling it. Alright, so now that you guys saw that product that I was referring to, you can definitely see what I mean. So that one only has like the blue circle option. Once you guys dump it in, it actually works by itself. And you don't have to worry about it after like 20 days, 30 days, or whatever. Where for this brand new one right here, like I mentioned, it does 2-in-1. It cleans and sanitizes. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so first thing on the inside right here, they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So you can see there's a bunch of them inside right there, but there is a total of 12 of them. And once you guys take one of them out, you can see that this is what actually looks like here. It's basically a square shape. So I'm actually bringing it to the toilet and set it up to show you guys how to use it and what it looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right now we're in the restroom. Let me just open it up to show you guys what it actually looks like inside. So once you guys open it, this actually looks like inside. So you don't want to peel off any of the paper inside right here. You basically want to dump it inside. So I'm actually opening the toilet bowl to show you guys what the inside looks like, and then we'll dump it in. Alright, so you see this actually looks like inside right here. So currently I already have one inside, just like the one I showed you guys earlier with the circle one. So after you guys flush it, you guys see how there's so much more left. Alright, so I just slightly cleaned up everything on here since I wanted to put in the new one. But this part right here will go away eventually. So I basically want to just dump it inside right here. Alright, so once you guys dump it in, there's nothing else for you guys to do. You just want to leave it in there for around like 30 minutes to an hour, and then you guys can flush it. Alright, so it's been a few hours. If you can see, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let me actually flush it and show you guys what the inside looks like afterward. Alright, so I flush it. This is basically what it actually looks like right here. And this actually looks like inside. So basically the longer you guys leave it inside right here, the better it will work over time because it slowly dissolves. It basically creates this whole puddle on the side right here, just like what you guys saw earlier. And each one of these should last you guys around like 20 to 30 days. So that is basically how you guys use it. Very simple and very easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So the next little quick test of the product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So definitely for the product, if you can see the whole setup process didn't take that long. All you're gonna do is just dump it into the corner, just like how I showed you guys in the video. And you probably wanna wait around like 30 minutes to an hour before you guys flush it, so that way you actually can dissolve the product first. I've been using those circle ones for over a month or so now, and it's been working really well. So definitely the fact that how this product works in a 2-in-1, where it cleans and sanitizes, that actually makes the product so much more convenient and so much more useful as well, compared to the circle one. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys don't have time to clean your toilet bowl yourself, and you do want the option where I actually clean for you guys and also sanitize for you guys as well, then definitely give this product, it's actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.